Hello participants, welcome to Bug Mania Season 4. In this video, I'll make you show how you have to create bug report as well as how you have to submit your bug report. So first of all, you will get a mail for which application you have to test. In your mail, you will get a URL of the website that you have to test as well as you will have the bug report format and bug report submission link. So you have to click on the bug report format for the format. So here you have get the format where there is a SUN number, then bug description, then device description with browser details, then steps to execute, expected result and screenshot. So let's understand what you have to write in which column. So in a bug description, you have to write the exact issue or the exact problem you are facing. Then in device description with browser, you have to mention that in which operating system. Suppose you are checking into your laptop, so you have to tell that Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever OS version, as well as suppose you are checking in Chrome, so you have to write Chrome 126 or whatever version your Chrome is. Now, if you are checking in your mobile browser, then you have to write the description for your mobile device like Android 14 or iOS 17, whatever mobile device you are using. Then description of your browser in your mobile, that is Chrome 126 or Safari 17, whatever. So that you have to mention the phone OS as well as the browser version. Then it is comes steps to execute. In steps to execute, you have to mention all the steps clearly one by one. Then expected result, that when you are applying these steps to execute, what output you are expecting. We will see one demo also, so you will make it understand more clearly. So in expected result, you have to mention the expected action that you wanted, that after implementing this steps to execute, what output you wanted on a screen. Then you have to attach the screenshot. Now let me show you one demo how you have to do. So first create a folder. Let's suppose I have created a folder with the name of Kuber. You can create a folder with the name of your application or with the name of your. Then inside of this folder, you have to first add all your screenshots. Okay, note this point, only screenshots are allowed. Don't take any video recordings. So kindly please take the screenshots only. So just upload all your screenshots into this folder. Rename your screenshots with the bug ID like 1, 2, 3. Make it in a sequence. Don't rename your bug screenshot with any random name. Okay. So kindly rename it with 1, 2, 3 or the bug IDs. Then create an Excel file with the name of bug report. Open your Excel file. Now here just mention the bug ID. Suppose I have mentioned 101. Now give the bug description. Suppose there is a bug that when you're doing a registration in the Facebook or in any application with a registered ID, it is allowing. So this is a bug. So I will write the bug description that user is able to register with registered ID, email ID. Okay. So user is able to register or user is able to create account also, you can say user is able to create account with registered ID. Okay. Then here you have to mention the device description. Suppose I have mentioned Windows 10, Chrome 126. So this is how I have to mention the operating system, browser and its version. Then you have to follow steps to execute. So first you have to take one, open browser. Now for coming to the next line, kindly press Alter with End. Alter and Enter, press together. So if you are pressing Alter and Enter together, then it will take you to the next line. Then second, click Create Account, Link. Then again Alt Enter, enter all details. Then again fourth, enter registered ID. Then fifth, click Submit button. You have to write all the steps till the end. Click Submit button. Okay. Now expected result will be, so if you are trying to enter with registered ID, so definitely your expected result is validation message should appear. Validation message should appear. Okay. So expected result is about what you wanted. So that you have to mention in expected result. Now for the screenshot, you have to attach your screenshot. So just rename your screenshot with the bug ID or 123, anything you can do. Suppose rename with 101. My bug ID is 101. Now go to the Excel file, insert hyperlink 101, just select it and OK. See, so the image is attached in a form of link. So in this manner, you have to attach your screenshots. Suppose you have more than one screenshots, then attach in a different columns. So this is how you have to create the bug report. Now save your file, close your file, go back, then zip your folder, right click, send to compress to zip file. So you have to submit the zip file. So whatever bug report you are creating, put all your screenshots and bug report, your Excel file into a single folder, then compress or zip that folder. The zip folder that you have to submit. Okay. Now in the mail itself, we have also provided you the bug report submission link. Kindly click on that link. So this type of form will be open. All the details are also mentioned into the form. Here you have to mention your email ID, your full name, because this name will be printed on your certificate. So make sure your name should be correct, appropriate. Then you have to mention the email ID. Then you have to mention the WhatsApp number. Then you have to mention the city. Then you have to mention what you are. You are a working professional, automation tester in IT field, faculty, student, non-IT field, whatever you belong to. Then you have to mention the college name. How do you know about your Bugmania? And here you have to add the attachment file. Now add your zip file that you have created. Just attach it over here and submit your form. Make sure the zip folder that you have created should not be more than 100 MB. The maximum limit is allowed is 100 MB. So this is how you have to create your bug report and you have to submit your bug report to us. All the very best to all. If any further concern, you can coordinate with us. Thank you.